Hello, Nadia Elkhatib with Realtors in beautiful Hillsborough, California. Today I will be showing you my house of the week, which is a house in Hillsborough. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths listed for $2.85 million. And as you can see, it's in a gorgeous cul-de-sac. And if you follow me, I will show it to you. $1 million. It's been on the market for about 46 days. And as you can see, it has this gorgeous patio with beautiful views of the bay. This is the dining room and the living room. The very nice kitchen with built-in cabinets. And this side is the bedrooms, so all the bedrooms are together. Some more built-in closets. So this is a bedroom that's been staged as an office. As you can see, it has very nice shelves and a gorgeous view also on the deck. We'll look at it at the end. It has access to the deck. So that's, and here is a full bathroom right there. This is the master bedroom with a very nice big window, this gorgeous view. This is the master bathroom, closet. Now let's take a look at the last bedroom. Here we go. The nice window and a closet. Let's end the tour with the gorgeous, gorgeous patio that was made for entertaining. Huge sliding glass doors, and you are on this gorgeous patio with beautiful views of the bay. Not sure if you can see them really well since it's so sunny today. There we go. Gorgeous. Very, very private. And just amazing to entertain friends, family. At $2.85 million, I feel that this is a great entry-level house into Hillsborough. If you would like to see it, please contact me. It would be my pleasure to show it to you. This is Nadia Elkhatib with Realtors. Have a wonderful day.